Hello everyone, this is Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. Guys, I don't know if you have heard or not, but there is a big important update by the British Council India. First, I want to tell you that British Council and IDPs are the only branches of Cambridge. You know, the exams you do either booked by IDP or by the British Council are actually conducted by Cambridge. The exams are made by Cambridge. So the news is that on the British Council official website from 25th July 2021, the British Council will no longer deliver IELTS test in India. So there will be no British Council IELTS exam in India. Only and only IDP will conduct the IELTS exams. So no more British Council, only and only IDP. Now with this news, there are so many queries probably in your mind. So I'm gonna answer all those doubts which I think you will have. But if you still have any doubts, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. So first of all, 25th July. That means is it for both pen paper based and the computer delivered? So guys, 25th July is only for the computer delivered IELTS exam British Council. So if your exam is booked with British Council before 11th of July, that is a pen paper based exam, then nothing will be changed. For example, you have a 10th July exam with British Council, then yes, you'll get up in the morning, go to your examination center and give your exam. You'll get a certificate by the British Council. That's only for pen and paper based. But if you have your pen and paper based booked with British Council after the 11th of July, then yes, you will get up in the morning, go to the examination center, give your exam, but that exam will be under IDP, not British Council. You will get a certificate from IDP, test results from IDP and not from British Council. 25th July is for the computer delivered test date. So if you have booked your computer delivered exam with British Council till 25th July, then yes, you get up, go to the center, do your exam, you'll get a certificate from British Council. But after 25th of July, if you have booked your exam with the British Council, obviously you'll get up, you go to do your exam, but the certificate will be by the IDP. So there will be no more British Council. Listen carefully. IELTS test exams are not cancelled in India. Only the name British Council is ended. So now next question is, why this is happening? Why it is happening in India? So guys, IDP has entered into an agreement with British Council that will see all IELTS tests in India delivered by IDP from 25th July 2021. So IDP and British Council have agreement between them. So there will be only and only IDP in India. No more British Council. After 25th July 2021. Rest, there is no change in the test structure. There is listening, reading, writing, speaking. There is no change in the fees. There is no change in marking standards. Nothing else is changed. It's only just the name of British Council is ending. The brand British Council is ending and it's converted into a IDP. Next, you might have a question. Why is this happening? Okay, first we know what is this happening, why this is happening. This is actually basically British Council and IDP have been exploring new things from last 18 months. It's over than a 1 year. They both have been into this kind of a conversation. They said that there will be only a single distributor in India and things will be more consistent and smooth if they have only one conductor, one distributor of IELTS exam in India, and that one distributor is IDP. Now next question is, what will happen to British Council test centers in India? What will happen to the test centers, guys? Will they be closed? What will happen to the offices of British Council? Well, IELTS will continue to be available in all the big cities, on the key cities and locations across the country through IDP only. Okay, the British Council test location in India will slowly and slowly rebranded to IDP IELTS. That means if you have a British Council location centers, then the name British Council will be changed into IDP slowly and slowly. Next is, how will this impact me? So how it will impact the students? Okay, so if you previously took IELTS with British Council, then there is no impact, no problem with your results. So if you have done your British Council exam maybe in the June month and you are going to receive your test result in July, or if you have done your British Council exam in May and you have received your test results in June, not a problem. Your certificate is valid for 2 years. You won't have any problem applying for your offer letter, going to a abroad country, using that test center. Your certificate is valid, not a problem at all. It's only if you are going to do a current booking. So now if you want to book your exam, then it will be done by the IDP. IDP will get in touch with all the British Council students by 7th of July 2021. So IDP teams will be in touch with you by 7th July to share new login details from the IDP center. So, like you used to log in into the British Council, now your login will be changed into the IDP. IDP will be giving you a new login details where you can see your exam, manage your bookings. Okay, so they will get in touch to all the students by 7th of July 2021 for both paper-based exams and computer-delivered exams. Next, how I can find more about it. So where you can go and find more about it. First, obviously, you can go to the British Council official webpage, which is right now, it's still valid. It's going to be valid till 25th of July. So you can go to that official page, search your frequent questions, and you can see your answers. And also you can contact the IDP team. Now the more important thing is you can contact the IDP team. Okay, but they said don't contact them before 7th of July. So wait till 7th of July. If you don't get any email from the IDP, only if you have booked your exams with the British Council for paper based after 11th and computer after 25th July, they will get in touch with you. And also there is a live event on the Facebook tomorrow, that is 2nd of July. There is a live Facebook event which you can go and watch, and you'll get more information about this. Now there's another thing. If you have done your listening, reading and writing test but not yet the speaking test, what will happen to your speaking test? Guys, nothing will happen. If you have done your listening, reading, writing with the British Council and your speaking test is later on and you haven't done it, then it's not a problem. You will complete your speaking test with the British Council. So if you have done your, for example, today is 1st of July, you have done your listening, reading and writing exam with British Council and your speaking is, for example, on 12th of July, not a problem. 12th of July, you will go to your venue, do your speaking test and you'll get a certificate from the British Council because you have done the main part, half of the exam from the British Council. So second part will be held by the British Council. So there will be no change into that. Now, other thing is, if I had my test with British Council in June, so if you had your exam in the June month with British Council, who will give you your test results? Who will give you your test report from where you will get your certificate? Guys, then first of all, if you have done your exam in June, you must have received your certificate already. But if you haven't, then obviously it's going to be British Council. You'll get your results from the British Council. Okay. Now the last thing, if I have booked an IELTS on pen paper test with British Council after 11th July or a computer delivered test after 25th July, will it still go ahead? Will you still have an exams? Yes, you will, but your test results will be under the name of IDP, not British Council. You will go ahead with the same date, with the same city as planned. So just keep preparing for your test. IDP will give you a new login details by the 7th of July. So not a problem again. So guys, this is the latest update. I hope I have given you a lot of information, but still, if you have any kind of a query or a doubt regarding this, then please leave a comment below. I'll answer to each and every comment, and if needed, I'll make another explanation video. If you want me to make it in Punjabi or Hindi as well, I can do that. So guys, keep preparing for your exams. Please subscribe my channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Thank you for watching this video and take care. Bye bye.